Want to have this zoom effect in Canva? I'll show you how. Start a project of any size that suits your needs. Now I'm going to find some kind of image to zoom in on. I'm going to place it onto the page and resize it to the initial view I want before zooming in. Go down to the pages at the bottom. If you do not see the pages down here, you are probably in scroll view, so click down here to toggle to thumbnail view. Right-click on the page and duplicate the page. Go to the second page and resize your image to be the final view you want after zooming in. Hover your mouse between the two pages until the option to add a transition appears. Click on it. Click Match and Move, and change the duration to your liking. What Match and Move does is it creates a smooth transition for any identical objects between the two pages, and to make this make a bit more sense, I'm actually going to also make some quick adjustments to the brightness and color settings. On the first page, I'll dim it down a bit, and on the second page, I'll brighten the image up a bit. So let's see what this looks like. Please subscribe, and if you want to know 7 AI tools in Canva that change everything, check out this video.